Hey, it's the Ginger Optimist. Welcome to my lifestyle channel. I love having fun in the kitchen cooking using my Instant Pot, the air fryer, sous vide, my Vitamix, even my oven. I enjoy doing DIY projects, especially soaping. I enjoy traveling and all kinds of things. So come and join me. Do you want to know how to make Italian stuffed bell peppers? Let's do it. We're going to begin by turning our Instant Pot on Saute. And while we're waiting for it to heat up, I'm going to show you how I get the center out of the bell pepper. I've already washed my bell peppers, sliced the top off, and then you just take a spoon, slide it around, and it just comes out nice and clean. While I'm waiting on the Instant Pot to heat up, I'm going to go ahead and put in 1 pound of ground round. It's best if you use at least 90% lean. And my secret ingredient, I've got about a little over 1/3 of a turkey smoked sausage. Pour in 3/4 cups of diced onion, half a tablespoon of minced garlic. Gonna sprinkle in some pink Himalayan salt, crushed black pepper, the meat has browned, so now I'm going to remove the excess liquid. Now we're going to add a cup of cooked brown rice. If you want to know how to make brown rice in the Instant Pot, there's a video. Organic diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese, a cup of Vero Gusto pasta sauce, and just a little tiny bit of Worcestershire sauce. Let's mix it all together. Now it's time to stuff the peppers. Now I'm going to turn the pressure cooker on, and we're going to put it at 5 minutes on pressure cook high. Going to add 1.5 cups of water. And if you don't want it to take forever to come to pressure, you can start with very hot water, and it'll come to pressure a lot quicker. Put our trivet down inside, and now we're going to carefully place our bell peppers inside. We're going to put the lid on, make sure it's on sealed, and let it cook. And when it's done, we'll do a quick release, put cheese on top, let it melt, and have some yummy lunch. It's time to do a quick release. The silver button is dropped down, so let's check on our stuffed bell peppers. We're gonna add mozzarella cheese on top, let it melt, then we can have lunch. I'm going to put the lid back on and let them sit for just a moment so that that cheese will melt. The filling for the bell peppers is more than enough to fill 6 medium-sized bell peppers, but if they're large bell peppers like the ones I am using, you can fill 6, but the last 2 might be just a tad bit skimpy. I'm not going to cook the last 2. I've put them in this freezer bag, and I'm going to freeze them so that another day I can pull them out and cook them in the Instant Pot and have lunch just like that. Wow, those look amazing. Now let's see if we can carefully get them out of the pot. That's the tricky time. Looks like lunch is going to be delicious. Thank you so much for watching The Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you're not subscribed already, I hope you will. I look forward to connecting with you. Leave me comments down below. Thanks again, my friend. God bless. Bye.